Hey Zebras, it's Zebra Jules, and if you're new to my channel, I'm a makeup artist, licensed esthetician, and a certified lash technician, and in this video, I'm going to share with you guys what I tell my clients after their lash appointment to help them keep their lashes looking their best at home. So if you're interested, then please keep watching. The first thing I always let my clients know is to avoid getting their lashes wet for 24 hours. That includes sweating, so I don't recommend anybody going to the gym after they get their lash fill because for some reason the salt water from your sweat has caused my clients' lashes to shed. The other thing that I tell my clients to avoid after their lash appointment is hot tubs, saunas, and swimming for 48 hours. In my experience, in my 7 years of lashing, I've noticed that lashes shed faster whenever they're exposed to salt water like the beach, salt water, chlorine water, or even just regular sweat and tears. It causes those lashes to shed prematurely. So what I always tell my clients is if you're gonna cry, which you shouldn't, because you're gonna ruin your lashes, you're gonna cry, you're gonna sweat, or anything like that, please avoid crying after the 48 hours. Avoid sweating after the 48 hours if you could. If not, at least wait the 24 hours. And what you can do is if they do get wet, dab them dry and then get your blow dryer, a fan, something just to dry them. As long as they're dry, they'll be fine. If you keep them wet, like if you just let that salt water stay on those lashes, I feel like they shed so much quicker. So the next thing is to avoid waterproof mascara. I don't recommend my clients wearing mascara on their lashes, especially if they're doing volume. When you put mascara on volume lashes, they're gonna clump up and they're gonna look so unnatural. So I would not recommend doing mascara. Please avoid waterproof mascara because it's really hard to take off on your own, and when you're pulling at your lashes trying to get it off, those lashes will shed prematurely. So try not to do waterproof mascara. You can wear the regular mascara on your lower lashes, and you can coat classic lashes with a little bit of mascara if you really wanted to, and just on the very ends, not like to the root and up, because it tends to like get clumpy on the bottom. If you go see your lash artist and you have waterproof mascara, it's going to take forever for us to take it off, and it's going to cut into your fill time. The more you wear mascara, the sooner you have to come back for a fill. Wearing so much mascara is going to shorten the time between appointments. You're going to have to come back sooner. I always tell my clients to use oil-free eye makeup and eye makeup removers. Anything with oil is going to break down the glue or just going to come off. So I'd say just make sure everything says oil-free. Also, my clients always ask about eye cream, and yeah, you can wear your eye cream at night. I suggest not putting too much over the eye, like just go all the way around your eye. Just make sure it's not going all the way into your lash line, and the creams are better. Try not to use oils. The last thing I like to tell my clients is to not rub, pick, twist, or pull at their lashes. Whenever they're pulling at their lashes, they do not realize that they're actually pulling their own sometimes, or sometimes what they just do, they think they're taking just the lash off, and in reality when I go in there and try to like fill their lashes, I will notice that they have blunt lashes, which looks like someone went in with the scissors, but really your nails, they're sharp. Also, pulling and picking at them is going to cause your lashes to shed prematurely because there's just too much movement. Try to just not touch them. The only time you touch them is to clean them. That leads me to cleaning your lashes. You should always clean your lashes. If you haven't seen my lash cleaning video, please watch that. If you're not washing your lashes regularly, your lashes will shed faster. What happens is when your lashes are dirty, your lashes start to clump up. I'll have clients tell me there's just a lot of glue at the, I feel like there's a ton of glue. We don't use that much glue putting on lashes. Responsible lash techs don't use that much glue when they're putting on lashes, so it's not glue when it's all stuck down there and you feel like something's bothering you. What it really is oil, dirt, makeup, dead skin cells that get stuck on the lash line. If you're not cleaning that, then it's going to bother you. It could even cause blepharitis. Blepharitis usually occurs when somebody has an allergy or develops an allergy to the glue. I feel like this topic is a whole nother video, so if you guys want me to make a video on this, let me know, comment down below. We don't want to have to remove those eyelashes. And I do like to tell my clients that even if you're getting fills for more than a year, 2 years, 3 years, you can still develop an allergy to the lashes. So I like to let them know that. But avoiding it would be cleaning them regularly. If you don't wash your lashes, what happens is your lashes will clump up together and they won't look as fluffy. As soon as you start washing them, they'll like feel fluffy and they separate and they look so much nicer. So this is the micellar water that I like to use to clean my lashes, and you can see right here on the bottom it says no oil. So that's what you want to look for. And I really like the pink one, it's my favorite one. So here I just want to show you guys how I test the mascaras before you put them on your eyelashes, just to make sure they're not waterproof. Some of them say they're not waterproof, but they're kind of hard to come off. That first one I'm rubbing, that one's a L'Oreal one, and it says it's not waterproof, but it seems like it's harder to come off. The second one I have, like right in the middle, that one is a Wet n Wild one, and that one came off really fast. And then the one on the very end is a waterproof mascara, and you can see it just doesn't budge. So you can do this test at home and see which one works the best. And the one that washes the fastest is a good one, the one that you should use if you want to use mascara. I hope you guys found this video helpful, whether you're a client or a lash tech. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button to notify you whenever I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.